Hey, what's up guys, this is Skyforce95 here reviewing a very useful piece of apparel by Under Armour, especially for the cold weather onset. This is a cold gear item, so it has some nice fleece, and it also has the storm technology to keep you dry in some rainy weather as well. The model I'm currently reviewing is the youth sizing. I'm pretty sure there's an equivalent adult sizing, probably minus the big fat logo here on the left leg. But I haven't really done too much digging around myself since I do fit in youth sizing, so why bother paying for something more expensive? And plus I got it for I think around $20 on Amazon, so it's really a steal especially for Under Armour branded stuff. So let's just go ahead and get right into this review. So material wise, like I said, the outer shell is the Storm 1 technology, so it's not completely waterproof, but it's water resistant enough to save you in downpours. And here I am just doing a quick water test. I'm just running a steady stream of water from the faucet, and you can see the water is just kind of beating up on the fabric. That just shows that it's not seeping through. And taking a look on the inside, there's no sign of moisture either, so that's definitely a plus. And actually, let's just go ahead and talk a little bit more about the fleece inner lining. It's not a thin micro fleece by any means. You can see kind of clumps of it everywhere, but it still keeps you very warm. It's just a little bit, it takes up a little bit more space because it's a little bit more expanded. And then in terms of other designs and features, it has two front pockets, no pockets in the rear. And these pockets are pretty bare bones, no zipper. It's basically just a really thin mesh pocket. It has holes in it so you can feel your cold fingers if you were to put them in the pockets. So I think they could have done a little bit better job than just sticking a little pad of mesh on it. But at least it does fit my iPhone 8 in it with no problems. Then the waistband is elastic with a drawstring, so if you needed to make it tighter, you can. Generally, the sizing is true to size, so whatever you normally get, go ahead and pick that size. The fit is kind of more fitted, as in it's not super baggy and it's not skin tight either. It's just something in between, which is nice. So it's going to definitely flatter you if you have a nice athletic build, and also help cover up a little of those fat pockets if you're not quite that build. The pant leg openings is basically just straight, so it doesn't taper in, it doesn't flare out either, so it's pretty easy to take this on and off. So overall, I really love this pants. I think it's a great value. It's really comfortable, it keeps you warm, and it keeps you dry. It's stuff that I really look for in my athletic gear. The only complaints I would really have is just the pockets, like I mentioned earlier, and also I would have liked that this big fat gray logo here to be reflective. It would have been nice for something that's all black. And then my last note is just the fact that because it is polyester, it does tend to pick up some lint and some hair, especially during high static in the winter season. So I would recommend that you guys pick up one of these static sprays. Unfortunately, this static cling is kind of unavoidable for polyester materials, but I did notice that for the most part, because of whatever the Under Armour Storm technology has, it does do a little bit better justice with not being too overly static clingy. But I would still recommend picking a bottle of this. I'll do a separate video on the specific product. Make sure to subscribe to see that. But that'll do it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go ahead and check out the product in the description. It's a great value. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.